Assalamu alaikum family, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are well. So in today's video we're going to be making this delicious mince puff pastry. To start, I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pot. Now I'm gonna add 1 chopped onion. It's a medium chopped onion. It can be red or it can be the white one, doesn't matter as long as it's onion. So I'm going to fry that for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna fry this for about 1 minute. 2.5 to 300 grams of mince. I'm going to add the spices. This is a turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, black pepper, garam masala, and salt. Now I'm going to combine all the ingredients and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. After a few minutes, this is how it's gonna look like. Now I'm gonna add about half cup of water, and then I'm going to cover my pot and slow the flame and let it boil for about 10 minutes. It's after 10 minutes, and as you can see, the water, we still have water, not too much, but we still have enough water to cook our vegetables. As you guys know, the vegetables also has water, so you have to cook this in slow flame, otherwise your pot is gonna burn. We don't have too much water. So yeah, I add there some mixed peppers, and I add my potatoes, and I add also some carrots. So now I'm gonna just cover my pot again and let it cook for about another 10 minutes in very low flame. It's after another 10 minutes, our filling is done. Now I'm going to transfer into a plate and set aside. Here is our puff pastry. I bought this from Checkers. You can get also in Pick and Pay. Yeah, so I have a video where I'm showing how to make puff pastry at home. It's very easy, guys. If you want to see, I'm going to put the link of the video down in the description. So if you really want to learn, just go and check in the description. You will find a video link. Yeah, so now here what we're gonna do is just shape it. I'm gonna add my filling and make different shapes. I'm not so good on making different on making shapes, guys, but important thing is that came out very delicious. So yeah, just keep watching to see how I'm making. Yeah, so please like the video. By the way, this is a mozzarella cheese. You can make it plain if you don't like cheese. It's not like you have to add cheese. I'm just adding because I love cheese. I love mozzarella cheese special. So yeah, guys, keep watching, and please like the video, share, and comment down below your thoughts. like I said, I'm not so good in shapes, but I think it's not so bad. Yeah, so now I'm going to bake in 108-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until you see it's done, it's nice and golden. Yes, and I was so happy for the color. It came out so beautiful. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to give your sister a nice thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.